Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Jacobean to restoration. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 175 up to part 7. This is now part 8. Dear friends, these questions are very important for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 176 लव इन ए टब बाय जॉर्ज एथरेज is partially composed in. Love in a Tub by George Etheridge is partially composed in. Option A, iambic pentameter. Option B, blank verse. Option C, heroic couplets. And option D, rhyming couplets. Rhyming couplets. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, rhyming. Option D, rhyming couplets is the correct answer. यानी कि लव इन ए टब बाय जॉर्ज एथरेज इज ए पार्सली कंपोज्ड इन राइमिंग कपलेट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 177 हु रोड सी वुड इफ सी कुड. हु रोड सी वुड इफ सी कुड. ऑप्शन ए वाइचरली, ऑप्शन बी ड्राइडन, ऑप्शन सी जॉर्ज एथरेज एंड ऑप्शन बी डी जॉन बर्नब्रग. सो हु she would if she could. So option C, George Etheridge wrote. George Etheridge wrote she would if she could. Now question number 178. She would if she could shows the influence of. She would if she could shows the influence of. Option A, Moliere, option B, Cornell, option C, Farquhar, and option D, Van Bragg. So option A, Moliere is the correct answer. She would if she could shows the influence of Moliere. Now question number 179. Identify the writer who popularly known as Gentleman George by his contemporaries. Identify the writer who is popularly known as the Gentleman George by his contemporaries. Option A, George Herbert. Option B, George Etheridge. Option C, George Farquhar. And option D, George Peele. So option B, George Etheridge is the correct answer. George Etheridge is the writer who is popularly known as Gentleman George by his contemporaries. Now question number 180. Who wrote The Man of Maid in 1671? Who wrote The Man of Maud in 1671? Option A, John Ford. Option B, William Wycherley. Option C, Robert Herrick. And option D, George Etheridge. So option D, George Etheridge is the correct answer. Now question number 181. Name the writer who befriended Earl of Rochester, Sir George Etheridge and Sir Charles Sedley. Name the writer who befriended Earl of Rochester, Sir George Etheridge and Sir Charles Sedley. Option A, William Congreve. Option B, William Wycherley. Option C, Thomas Sidwell. And option D, Nathaniel Lee. So option B, William Wycherley is the correct answer. Now question number 182. Wycherley dedicated one of his works to the Duchess of Cleveland, one of the mistress of Charles II. Name it. Wycherley dedicated one of his work one of his work to the Duchess of Cleveland, one of the mistress of Charles II, name it. Option A, the country wife. Option B, the plain dealer. Option C, the gentleman dancing master. And option D, love in a wood. Love in a wood. So the correct answer is option D, love in a wood. Wycherley dedicated one of his works to the Duchess of Cleveland, one of the mistress of Charles II, name it. Option D, love in wood is the correct answer. Now dear friend, question number 183. Wycherley's The Plain Dealer is A. Wycherley's The Plain Dealer is A. Option A, philosophical poem. Option B, tragedy. Option C, satire. And option D, masque. So, Wycherley's The Plain Dealer is a satire. Option C is the correct answer. Option C. Now question number 184. Dash is the greatest comedy writer of Restoration period. Dash is the greatest comedy writer of Restoration period. Option A, William Congreve. Option B, William Wycherley. Option C, George Farquhar. And option D, John Dryden. So option A, William Congreve is the correct answer. Now question number 185. The Way of the World was written by Congreve in. The Way of the World was written by Congreve in. Option A, 1700. Option B, 1701. Option C, 1702. And option D, 733. So the correct answer is option A. The Way of the World was written by Congreve in 1700. Now question number 186. The relapse is satire in response to college givers reform comedy Love's Lost Leaf. Who is its author? The relapse is a satire in response to college giver reform comedy Love's Last Leaf. Who is its author? Option A, George Farquhar. Option B, Thomas Otway. Option C, John Barnbrook. And option D, Thomas Browne. So option C, John Barnbrook is the correct answer. Now question number 187. John Barnbrook was a dramatist and an poet, prose writer, architect or novelist. So option B, architect is the correct answer. Now question number 188. Pick the odd one out. The Provoked Wife. Option B, The Country House. Option C, A Journey to London. And option D, The Old Bachelor. So the correct answer is option D, The Old Bachelor is the correct answer. The Old Bachelor is odd. Now question number 189. The recruiting officer is a work of. Option A, Sir John Barnbrook. Option B, Thomas Otway. And option C, Thomas Sadwell. And option D, George Farquhar. So the correct answer is option D. George Farquhar is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very important. So listen these questions again and again for any competitive exam, if you are appearing any competitive exam related to English. Now question number 190. Who surprised dead John Dryden as a poet laureate? Who superseded John Dryden, a poet laureate? Option A, John Crowne. Option B, Nathaniel Lee. Option C, Thomas Sadwell. And option D, Thomas Otway. So the correct answer is option C. Thomas Sadwell is the correct answer. Now question number 191. Name the play of Thomas Sadwell which is based on Les Fatueux of Molière. Name the play of Thomas Sadwell which is based on Les Fatueux of Molière. Option A, the Virtuoso, the Sullen Lovers, option C, Bury Fair, and option D, the Square of Alcestis. So, which one is the correct answer? Option B, the Sullen Lover is the correct answer. Now, question number 192. In which of his work does Shadwell satirize contemporary folly and knavery? In which of his works does Shadwell satires, satires contemporary folly and knavery? Option A, The Medal of John Bias. Option B, Epsom Wells. Option C, The Sullen Lovers. And option D, Bury Fair. Bury Fair. So the correct answer is option A, The Medal of John Baez is the correct answer. Now question number 193. Question number 193. Name the play of Thomas Ordway wherein the famous actress Elizabeth Barry made her maiden entry. Option A, The Atheist. Option B, Orphan. Option C, Do Carlos. And option D, LCB8. So which one is the correct answer of 93? Option D. Option D, LCB8 is the correct answer. Now question number 194. When Venice Question number 194. Venice Preserved is a tragedy by Thomas Ordway written in. Again, Venice Preserved is a tragedy by Thomas Ordway written in. Option A, prose. Option B, blank verse. Option C, couplet. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So, Venice Preserved is a tragedy by Thomas Ordway written in blank verse. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 195. Which of the following is not a work of Nathaniel Lee? Which of the following is not work of Nathaniel Lee? Option A, Nero. Option B, The Unhappy Marriage. Option C, The Rival Queen. And option D, Gloriana. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, The Unhappy Marriage. Which of the following is not a work of Nathaniel Lee? The Unhappy Marriage. Now question number 196. Which play of Nathaniel Lee was banned because it was considered politically dangerous? The play of Nathaniel Lee was banned because it was considered politically dangerous. Option A, Nero. Option B, Sophon Siba. And option D, Lucius Fannius Brutus. And option D, The Rival Queens. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Hudibras Fannius. Question number 196, option C, Lucius Funcius Brutus is the correct answer. Now question number 197. Callisto by John Crowley is A. Callisto by John Crowley is A. Option A. Option A, mask. Option B, satire. Option C, tragedy. And option D, comedy. So option A, mask is the correct answer. Now question number 198. Which of the following is not a work of John Crowley? Which of the following is not a work of John Crowley? Option A, Juliana. Option B, The Destruction of Jerusalem. Option C, The Country Bit. And option D, A Plot Discovered. A Plot Discovered. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, A Plot Discovered is the correct answer. Question number 199. Sylvia and Tara are probably the first books of this kind. their kind. Silva and Terra are probably the first books of their kinds on option A fishing and hunting, option B pottery and weaving, option C masonry and architecture, and option D forestry and farming. Forestry and farming. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 200. Pepys was a famous option A playwright, option B pamphlet pamphleteer, option D diarist, and option D humorist. So option C diarist is the correct answer. Diarist is the correct answer. यानी कि Pepys was a famous diarist. Now दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द राइटर इज इन द करेक्ट क्रॉनिकल सीक्वेंस? ऑप्शन ए मिल्टन कैरियो क्रैसा ड्राइडन, ऑप्शन बी मिल्टन क्रैसा कैरियो ड्राइडन, ऑप्शन सी मिल्टन ड्राइडन क्रैसा Cario, and option D Cario Crescia Milton Dryden. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Milton Cario Crescia and Dryden is the correct answer. Dear friends, these are some important question. I hope कि आपको ये पसंद आए हों। यदि पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।